Hi, my name is Blue. This is my friend Red. Say hi, Red. Hi. What do you want to do today, Red? I don't know. Oh, look, it's Yellow. He's a baby. I'm a baby. Feed me. Oh, look, it's Green. He's mentally disabled. I really like kitchen counters. Oh, look, it's Orange. He's sad about life. Oh, look, it's Purple. He's a builder. I'm making a hairbrush. We are friends. Yay! Are you ready to go to the convention for like-minded toe enthusiasts? Sure, Blue, but I have 3 tickets. We have to bring someone else. Who else can we bring? Green's at the dentist. Purple's at culinary school. So I guess that just leaves us with Orange. Hey, Orange, do you want to go to the toe convention with us? Is that a yes? Is that a no? Man, does Orange ever talk? He's just so depressed all the time. I don't understand. Maybe we should do something exciting to try and cheer him up. You're right, Red. Hey, Orange, fetch. You're gonna have to try something a little more exciting than that, Blue. You're right. Orange, fetch. Okay, something less exciting. Forget it. I don't know what to do. Maybe we should take Orange to a therapist. That's a good idea, Red. Thank you so much for helping us, Dr. Phelps.
No problem, boys. I'm just gonna have to ask you a couple questions about Orange.
Yup, question away.
Alright, when did you start to notice Orange's condition?
I think he's always been like this.
Okay, has Orange ever opened up to you about his life?
No, he never usually talks to me. I always thought he was just shy.
So if I tried to talk to Orange right now,
He probably wouldn't tell you anything.
I don't know how I'm supposed to help him then. About how long have you known Orange?
A couple of years maybe. I don't have the greatest memory.
What does Orange do in his free time? What are some of his hobbies?
Well, I know he likes to draw, and he's honestly really good at it.
Huh, luckily I have just the thing. A whiteboard. Go ahead, Orange. Show us how you're feeling. Come on, Orange. Tell us how you're feeling. Oh, I see. Orange never had what you would call an ideal childhood. His mother was never around because of her job as a professional paint drying watcher, and his father never paid attention to him, which caused him to go through multiple phases. Intellectual phase,
I listen to Beethoven.
emo phase,
I listen to Skrillex.
and a class clown phase.
I listen to Your Mother.
Eventually, Orange gave up on seeking attention and sunk into a deep depression. And if I'm reading his recordings correctly, this is where Orange is now.
Oh, you're right. That makes perfect sense. Thank you so much, Dr. Phelps. Listen, Red, we gotta think of a way to cheer Orange up. But what can we do for someone so broken inside? What are some generally happy occurrences in people's lives? I know, birthday parties. Orange has probably never had a birthday party. If we throw him one, he'll be so overcome with joy that he'll have no choice but to be happy again. I like that idea. Let's do it. Happy birthday, Orange! We're so excited that you made it, Orange. Here, we even got you a present. Open up. Yeah, the gift we got you was on back order. I promise I'll do better next year. Oh, hi, Orange. Are you ready to party? I think that means yes. Oh boy, Orange. Wait till I tell you what we have in store for you today. entire watermelon in my mouth the other day. Nobody cares, Green. Today is about orange. Why doesn't anybody care? Oh, shut up, Green. You do this every holiday. I'm just facing this every holiday. The last holiday we had, the entire house I'm prettier than you. Was that Purple? Better go see what the fuss is about. Hey, Purple, is everything okay in here? Purple, what the heck did you do? I don't know. I was just making the cake. Put it out! Hurry! I don't know how to. Oh, the fire's gone. OMG! The cake's ruined. Orange, I'm so sorry. Everything's ruined. I totally understand if you hate me now. I'm such a dumb brain. I'm such a poo-poo head. I'm such a... What is this? Aw, that's so sweet, Orange. I guess what Orange is trying to say then, regardless of his condition, he still loves us so dearly. Even if we did put on an excruciatingly terrible party that'll probably traumatize him for the rest of his life. Wow, Orange is such a good friend.